Welcome dear students to the class of maths. Today we are going to learn multiplication part 2. So students, we will do multiplication by lattice method. So here is our first sum. 255 multiplied by 5. Students, you all know how to do multiplication by lattice method. So here I have arranged the numbers to multiply by lattice method. Now come on, let's start our multiplication. 5 multiplied by 200. So 5 into 200 is 1000. 5 multiplied by 50 is 250. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now all the three answers we are going to arrange according to the place value for addition. Starting from the units, 0 plus 0 plus 5 gives you 5. 0 plus 5 plus 2 gives you 7. 0 plus 2 gives you 2 and 1 will come as it is. Therefore, 255 multiplied by 5 is 1275. Moving on to the next sum. 373 multiplied by 3. So now we will start the multiplication part. 3 multiplied by 300 gives you 900. 3 multiplied by 70 gives you 210. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. The answers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units, 0 plus 0 plus 9 gives you 9. 0 plus 1 gives you 1. 9 plus 2 will give you 11. So students, 373 multiplied by 3, the answer is 1119. Moving on to the next sum. 427 multiplied by 4. So now we will start the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 400, the answer is 1600. 4 multiplied by 20, the answer is 80. 4 multiplied by 7, the answer is 28. Now all the three answers we will arrange according to the place value for addition, and starting from the units, 0 plus 0 plus 8 gives you 8. 8 plus 2 will be 10. 1 we will carry over in 100 place. 0 we will write in tens place. 6 plus 1 will give you 7 and 1 will come as it is. So 427 multiplied by 4, the answer is 1708. Moving on to the next sum. 76 multiplied by 34. So here 76 we have written the expanded form, that is 70 plus 6. 34's expanded form is 30 plus 4. So now 30 multiplied by 70, the answer is 2100. 30 multiplied by 6, the answer is 180. 4 multiplied by 70, the answer is 280. And 4 multiplied by 6, the answer is 24. Now here we have got 4 answers. Now all the 4 answers we will arrange according to the place value for addition, and starting from the units, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 will give you 4. 0 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 will give you 18. 1 we will carry over in 100 place. 8 we will write in tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 5. And 2 will come as it is. Therefore, 76 multiplied by 34, the answer is 2584. Moving on to the next example. 39 multiplied by 24. So now we will start the multiplication. 20 multiplied by 30, The answer is 600. 20 multiplied by 9. The answer is 180. Now 4 multiplied by 30. The answer is 120. 4 multiplied by 9. The answer is 36. Now all the 4 answers we will arrange according to the place value for addition, starting from the units. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 will give you 6. 0 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 will give you 13. 1 we will carry over in hundred place. 3 we will write in tens place. Now 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 9. Therefore 39 multiplied by 24. The answer is 936. Now students, we are going to solve multiplication by vertical arrangement. So here is our first example. 244 multiplied by 2. So the numbers we have arranged according to the place value. So first we will multiply units with units, then units with tens, and then units with 100. So let's start our multiplication. 2 fours is 8. 2 fours is 8 and 2 twos is 4. Therefore 244 multiplied by 2. The answer is 488. Moving on to the next. 331 multiplied by 3. So again we will multiply units with units, units with tens, units with 100. So we will start the multiplication. 3 ones is 3. 3 3 times is 9. Again 3 3 times is 9. Therefore 331 multiplied by 3 is 993. Moving on to the next. 434 multiplied by 2. So again units with units, units with tens, units with 100. So 2 4 times is 8, 2 3 times is 6, 2 4 times is 8. Therefore 434 multiplied by 2. The answer is 868. Moving on to the next example. 223 multiplied by 3. So again units with units, units with tens, and units with 100. So 3 3 times is 9, 3 2 times is 6, 3 2 times is 6. Therefore 223 multiplied by 3. The answer is 669. Moving on to the next example. 127 multiplied by 8. So students, here also again we will multiply units with units, units with tens, units with 100. So let's start the multiplication. 8 7 times is 56. So 5 we will carry over in tens place. 6 we will write in units place. Now 8 2 times is 16, and 16 plus 5 is 21. So 2 we will carry over in 100 place. 1 we will write in tens place. Now 8 1 times is 8, and plus 2 will give you 10. So 1 we will write in 1000 place, 0 we will write in 100 place. Therefore 127 multiplied by 8. The answer is 1016. Moving on to the next example. 85 multiplied by 17. So students, here first we will multiply units with units, units with tens. After completing units part, we will move on to the tens. So we will multiply tens with units, tens with tens. So now let's start our multiplication. 7 5 times is 35. 3 we will carry over in tens place. 5 we will write in units place. Now 8 7 times is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. Now students, we have completed units multiplication. So we will write 0 in place of units. Now we will move on to the tens multiplication. So 1 5 times is 5. 1 8 times is 8. Now these two answers we will add. So 5 plus 0 will give you 5. 9 plus 5 will give you 14. 1 we will carry over in 100 place. 4 we will write in tens place. 8 plus 5 plus 1 will give you 14. 1 we will write in 1000 place. 4 we will write in 100 place. Therefore 85 multiplied by 17, the answer is 1445. Moving on to the next sum. 31 multiplied by 26. Again the same procedure we are going to follow. First we will multiply units with units, and then units with tens, and then tens with units, tens with tens. So let's start our multiplication. 6 1 times is 6. 6 3 times is 18. 1 we will write in 100 place. 8 we will write in tens place. So our units calculation is over. So we will write 0 in place of units. Now we will multiply tens with units, tens with tens. So 2 1 times is 2. 2 3 times is 6. Now both the answers we will add. So 6 plus 0 gives you 6. 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 1 we will carry over in 100 place. 0 we will write in tens place. So now 1 plus 1 plus 6 will give you 806. Students, moving on to the next example. 650 multiplied by 28. So again, first we will multiply units with units, units with tens, and units with 100. And then tens with units, tens with tens, tens with 100. So let's start our multiplication. So 8 0 times is 0. 8 5 times is 40. 4 we will carry over in 100 place. 0 we will write in tens place. 8 6 times is 48. 48 plus 4 gives you 52. 5 we will write in 1000 place. 2 we will write in 100 place. Now students, here our units multiplication part is over. So we will write 0 in units place. Now we will start multiplying tens part. So 2 0 times is 0. 2 5 times is 10. 1 we will carry over in 100 place. 0 we will write in 100 place. So 2 6 times is 12. 12 plus 1 will give you 13. 1 we will write in 10,000 place. 3 we will write in 1000 place. Now both the answers we will add. So 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 2 plus 0 gives you 2. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. 1 we will write as it is. Therefore 650 multiplied by 28, the answer is 18,200. So students, practice multiplication sums in your notebook as much as you can. We will continue with word problems in the next video.